What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Diesel Dog video. Got a little cheap part to try in my Silverado to try to fix my cruise control. This fits in the realm of the 07 to 13 Silverado. This is a 2010. This is the 5.3, and my cruise control has not worked for like 2 years. Now, I haven't really gone in and dug in, done any diag. I probably should do that first, or I could just throw a part at it, which is what I'm gonna do tonight. This is the brake switch down the brake pedal. I've seen where guys replace these and it fixes their cruise control, so I got this part. I'm gonna throw it in and we'll see if it fixes it. Hopefully it does. If not, you're not gonna see this video, but let's try her out. So fairly easy concept here. It's gonna be down here on the brake pedal here. You're gonna have a shaft right here that it rides on. You're gonna have a 10 mil bolt here. You're gonna have to loosen that up. And then you can kind of give a pull on that and pull down and out, and your clip's gonna come off there. You've got the connector on the back side here. You just got a little tab you're gonna push in, pull out, and then this whole thing is going to just slide off right there. So got our new one here. Let's try to kind of one hand this thing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand. Let's get it. Let's see. There we go. All right. See, easy peasy. One hand. We got her on there. So we got our connector there. Snapper in the back side. We've got our retaining clip. We're gonna push it back in and push up, and then we can tighten this 10 millimeter bolt here back where it belongs, like so. It's gonna thread basically into the middle of that rod there, that eye opening, whatever you want to call it, and keep this thing from coming off. Losing, there you go. It's basically in there. And there you go. So it looks like our brake lights are working. The only thing to check would be the cruise control, which is something I'm going to check in the morning in the daylight. So we'll pick back up on our way to work, I guess. All right, moment of truth real quick. Gonna flip our cruise control on. We're going 50. It worked, baby! Cruise control is working. Right on. Flip it off because we're coming up to a four-way. Here you go. Easy cruise control fix on your Silverado. Obviously, you should probably do a little diag before throwing parts at anything. I don't condone just part throwing, you know, I like to figure it out. But in a pinch, if you're at home and you don't want to pay someone to diag right away, you want to try an easy fix yourself in your garage, throw a brake switch on there. It might fix it. It probably, more than likely, will fix it. It could be the switch up on the steering wheel control. You know, it could be a bad wires. It could be anything else other than the brake switch. But 9 times out of 10, it probably will be that brake switch. So there you have it. Quick, easy fix. I'm stoked. I've been driving. I've got like a half-hour drive, over a half-hour drive to work every morning on the interstate, and I have not had cruise control for like 2 years. So I'm pretty excited about that. So, like I said, try that first if you want. If you don't want to, if you don't have time to get in a shop or anything, I'll leave a link for, you know, one of them on Amazon or something down in the description. Point you in the right direction of what you need. And hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one.